Welcome to PrintCutSew.com. I'm Michelle and I'm going to lead you through this easy paper stencil silkscreen tutorial. What you'll need to get started is a silkscreen frame, pigment inks, some orange and some blue, spatula, squeegee, some fabric, masking tape and scotch tape, a 16th hole punch, scissors, and an X-Acto knife. So one thing I'm going to want to do is, because there are some smaller delicate areas in this stencil that I've developed, I'm going to want to just put some scotch tape right over them. It'll give it a little bit more strength, but it'll still make it really easy to cut out. If you want to make your own stencils at home, the one thing you need to remember is that the white area that you don't cut out needs to be a continuous piece of white. You don't want any pieces that are going to fall out. So we're going to start cutting out the black, and like I said, we're going to start cutting out the very small areas. Last thing I want to do is take the 16th punch and go right into the corners here and here. So now we have stencil number 1 for the blue layer. It's all cut out, ready to go. We'll just put it aside and then we'll do the orange. You also wanted to kind of center in your screen, line it up, the line on the back of the silk screen, but you want to leave a significant area at the bottom, at least 2-3 inches. This is the area we'll call the well. Now I laid my first fabric panel down and I've marked where I want the top to be, and I've put it in line with my center line. I've smoothed it out. My next step is just to lay the silkscreen with the stencil laid taped to it. And we're just going to generally line up the lines, and I've marked where I want the bottom to be so that the stencil is printed in the part of the panel that I'd like it to be on. So I only have about 2 inches around. I don't want to print any more around there. And be careful just to get it. I'm going to put down a fair bit of pigment. Your squeegee and the pigment. You're gonna, this is called one pass, so we're gonna do 4 passes with medium to hard pressure, keeping an angle the whole time. Now when we lift off one side and then the other. There you have your silkscreen. Orange transparent pigment. Now you can squeegee the ink either by pushing or by pulling. Different people prefer different ways. This would be a pull. Many people feel this is fine. So you lift up one side to the other. And there you go. You can see where the orange and the blue have mixed and made the third color.